आज CCPची कावन्सील मिटींग आशिल्ली. फक्त 5 मिनटान ती मिटींग सोंपली. पूण तरी 5 मिनटान सोंपून सुद्दां हांगासर थोडे म्हत्वाचे मुद्दे आयिल्ले. तितूंतलो एक मुद्दो असो जे कबीर पिंटो माखीजा आसा तांच्यांनी एक मुद्दो असो दवरला की प्रत्येक वर्सा जेन्ना कला अकादमीन लोकोत्सव जाता तेन्ना भायर जे ट्राफीक कंजेशन जाता तेजे खातीर लोकांक खुबशे त्रास जाता. तशेंच जे ते म्हणटा की कितलेशे इव्हेंट हे कला अकादमी आनी तेज्या सायडीकच्या जो ग्रावंड आसा बांदोडकर ग्रावंड थंय जाता तेन्ना ते म्हणटा लोकांक त्रास जाता कारण ते म्युजीक टेस्ट करता, सावंड टेस्ट करता तेन्ना सायडीक जे रेजिडंट्स आसा तांकां त्रास जाता. ते म्हणटा हे जे सगळे इव्हेंट आसा लोकोत्सव जावं जे थंय इव्हेंट्स जाता बांदोडकर ग्रावंड जावं कला अकादमीच्या भायर ते इव्हेंट्स सिटीच्या भायर खंय तरी व्हरपाचे म्हणून हो एक मुद्दो आजच्या CCP कावन्सील मिटिंगेन येयलो.
Basically, Lokotsav is a very big festival. It's a very popular festival. It's a very nice festival. Now, what is happening is there are over 800,000 stalls which come into for Lokotsav, and thousands of people are visiting. But the problem is that there are no proper arrangements made for the parking, the traffic plan, and all this stuff. So the entire stretch of road, right, TB Marg, coming from Miramar to almost on the market and whatever, continuously gets clogged. It's totally jammed, and it doesn't happen for 1 day or 2 days. It goes on for almost 10-12 days. This happens year after year. So my only humble request was to start looking at an alternative location so that this festival, which is growing in numbers, can be accommodated at a different venue. A different venue where everything can be taken care of, right, from your parking to your traffic to everything. Because here even the traffic police are not able to manage the traffic. This thing. Last year, if you all note, not once, not twice, thrice ambulances were stuck in this traffic, and I don't think that's very healthy for the city. So it's a humble suggestion and a request which I brought up for this council meetings to the mayor and to everybody else concerned, that we should think of looking at taking this festival maybe to Shama Prasad or one of these places where there is ample parking, or even that ground in Mersej where once Honorable PM's meeting was conducted, because those areas are out of the city. It's huge. You don't require traffic. I mean, people coming to visit the thing don't need to come into the city. It can all be accommodated out there. So the honorable mayor was he knows about this point. So last time also he said he would be writing to the art and culture department, as well as today he said he would speak to the concerned minister. The residents are totally inconvenienced. Because what happens, people come to visit the thing, they'll park on the footpath, they park on the by lanes, they block people's entrances. All events should be moved out. All events should be moved out of the city. These kind of events and all these exhibitions have to be moved out of the city. You cannot deceive, because otherwise other events where there's music and all concerned, there are sound checks starting from 10 o'clock in the morning. It disturbs the residents of this entire stretch. And it's not only Kampal, the entire thing gets affected, starting up to Miramar, up to Panjim this side. So, it's a difficult situation for the residents.
तशेंच जे वसंत आगशीकर आसा त्यांच्यानी एक मुद्दो दवरला, ज्यो बांयो आसा पणजे वाठारांत त्यो पणजेच्यो ज्यो सगळ्यो बांयो ज्यो सिवेजी खातीर ताजें उदक जें कंटेमिनेट जालां तें उदक निवळ करचें, कारण खुबशे वेळा पणजे उदक नासता तेन्ना ह्या बांयांचें उदक खंय तरी तांकां वापरपाक मेळटलें. हो मुद्दो तेंच्यांनी आज जी CCP कावन्सील मिटींग आसा तितून दवरला.
ऑनरेबल मेयराक एक लेटर सबमीट केला. स्पेशली म्हज्या वॉर्डान एक 15-20 बांयो आसा, आनी तश्योच सबंद पणजेन धरत जाल्यार 100 बांयो आसा. आनी ह्यो बांयो म्हणजे आमचो एक एसेट. म्हणजे पणजेन फाटल्या वेळार जेन्ना 3-4 दीस उदक नाशिल्लें तेन्ना ह्यो बांयोन सगळ्या लोकांक उदक पावयलें, लोकांक टँकर गरज पडूना. आज खुबश्यो बांयो बिकॉज ऑफ अंडरग्रावंड सिवरेज नेटवर्क डॅमेज जाल्ल्या कारणान कंटेमिनेट जाल्या. त्यो परत सारक्यो करून ताका परत न्यू लीज ऑफ लायफ दिवप. दीस वील हेल्प आमच्या अंडर वॉटर रिसोर्सीस बरे उरपाक, आनी येणाऱ्या जनरेशनाक वो आमकां पुर्वजांनी जाणट्यांनी दिल्ली तो एक एसेट उरपाक जाय. हे खातीर हांवें रिक्वेस्ट केल्ली की सबंद पणजेभर सगळ्यो बांयो क्लीन करप आनी ताका परत रिज्युविनेट करप. दीस वील हेल्प अ लॉंग वे for the coming generation.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.